Make sure we're looking at our entrance procedure. I know today is Wild Mathematician Wednesday, but we are going to do something a little different today. So let's see what table is going to be the first one to meet 100% of my expectations. What should be in the middle?
Your notebook.
Your computer. Oh, sorry. Computers in the middle, please, you guys. Second in the middle. I love that you have your headphones. We'll get into that in a second. I like that. Oh, look at these ladies back here. Beautifully done. Nice. Thank you, ladies. While you're setting up, I'm going to take attendance. Trenton.
Yeah.
Judarian.
Yeah.
Kyra.
Here.
Marcus. Janaisha.
Here.
Jalen.
Here.
Jemiah.
Here.
Jocelyn.
Here.
Zariah. Brandisha.
Here.
30 more seconds. Let's see who can meet with my girls. Beautiful. Good morning, mathematicians.
Good morning.
Can I just give you a shout out? I got an email from Ms. Jones yesterday during my observation at another school, and she said that you guys did amazing. So in the system, each and every single one of you yesterday received a prop from Ms. Fritz. And I know Ms. Jones probably gave you guys some props yesterday, but as a class, we did amazing, so we all earned a prop. So give yourself a pat on that. You guys did that. I love that you can flow without Ms. Fritz even being in here. All right, I love that you have your composition notebook. Go ahead and put today's date on top of your fresh new sheet of paper. Go ahead and put my title, which is going to be, let's see, prime factorization. Give me a thumbs up when you have your title and your dates. So I'm so amazed. We all, like I said on Friday, are finished with negative numbers. Literally half of our class is on properties, and then half of our class is still on multiples and factors. So that tells us we're at a good place right now. 5 more seconds. 3, 2, 1. What is the title that we're going to work on today?
Prime factorization.
Good. During our little mini talk, we are going to talk about 2 key words. These are some words that are confusing some of us. Our first word we're going to talk about is prime. What's the first word we're going to talk about?
Prime.
I'll give you 2 seconds to write that down. 1, 2. Good. Trenton made it. Okay. Raise your hand if you ever heard the word prime. Hands down. Talk to your table. I want you guys to come up with a sentence that tells us what a prime number is. Go ahead. 1 minute.
Prime number is
Continue.
prime is something that belongs to something.
So, come together and make a sentence.
A prime number is something that belongs to something.
Well, that you're using yours.
I thought a prime number would be
Talk to
like.
each other.
I thought a prime number was like.
Okay, you guys ready? Okay, right. You got a couple more seconds. Write it. So you should have the same thing if we talk as a team, right? My back table, Muskego University, they're writing their sentence down. They talked as a table, now they're going to write their sentence down about what a prime number is. What is a prime number? And Ms. Fritz, I should write the number up here also. Five seconds left. Risky mathematicians, who could tell me what a prime number is? I almost have 100%. I need a few more hands. Be risky. You need to talk to your teammates. Judarian, hands down. Tell me what a prime number is. Okay, cannot be divided by 2. A number that cannot be divided by 2. Who can add on to that? Jalen?
I teach me agree with Jadarian, but I have something else to add on. I found them is a prime number can only be divided by 1.
Okay, so you agree with it can only be divided by 1. Divided by 1?
Well, I mean,
Oh,
yeah.
multiplied by 1. So, who can give us a complete sentence? So we have 2 teammates, Jocelyn, give us one complete sentence that tells us what a prime number is.
A prime number is a number that cannot be divided multiplied by any number except one in itself.
Good, I love it. Okay, so prime number is a number, or can we say product?
Yeah.
Okay. As you're writing that sentence, I want you guys to come up with 5 different examples of a prime number. What are some prime numbers that we know? Trenton, give me one. 2 is a prime number. Love it. Give me another prime number, Jonasia. 5. Jocelyn.
11.
11. Randasha, give me another one.
4.
4? What do we think? Jemiah, do you think 4 is a prime number?
No,
Math talk.
I disagree with Rhodesia because 2 times 2 equals 4.
Good. 2 times 2 equals 4. Judarian?
7.
7 is a prime number. And one last, Randasha.
13.
13. There you go. Nice way to recover.
It's 11.
There's many more, right? Okay, Reese, hands down. Okay, so in our unit, we're going to be talking about, we're going to see numbers that might be prime, but also numbers that might be what? Composite. Talk to your table. I'm going to give you 2 minutes. How many minutes?
2.
You and your table are going to come up with one amazing sentence or definition for composite numbers and give me an example. Go.
Multiply by
more numbers.
Okay, did you guys talk?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Ooh, I love that you're advocating. Okay. So we recognize that composite numbers are what? They're different 100%, right? And then they're kind of like opposite of each other, right? Yeah. Kind of like Yes. Oh, thank you. You gotta give me an example. I love that Jocelyn's giving me a complete sentence. Zariah's giving me a complete sentence. I love that Kyra gave her teammate feedback that we have to give Ms. Fritz an example of a composite number. Less than 1 minute. You guys, less than 1 minute. How can you prove that to Ms. Fritz, that that's a composite number? Show me, don't tell me, show me. You'll tell me in a second. I'll come to you. I love that Trenton is going another step. He's going to show Ms. Fritz why his number that he chose works for this. Less than 20 seconds. When the bell goes off, I want risky mathematicians. When the bell goes off, I want risky mathematicians. 5 more seconds, Sherry. 5 more seconds. Try to get an example out. Oh, I love it. I love it. Oh, okay. Let's see. Who haven't I heard from today? Jonasia.
A composite number is a product that can be multiplied by many numbers.
Okay. So by many, how else can we say numbers? By many. We talked about this on Monday. Factors. Good. Okay. So she said a product that can be multiplied by many factors, right? Give me a composite number. Trenton, I'm coming to you to explain why we agree that's composite. Jayla, give me a composite number.
12.
12. How do we know 12 is composite, Trenton?
Because you divide 12 into 4 times 3.
Good, okay. So I have 4 times 3. I'm going back to what Ms. Fritz taught us or reviewed with us on Monday, my
Rainbow.
factor rainbow. Judarian, what else?
44.
Nope. Continue to prove that 12 is a composite number.
6 times 2.
Good. So I'm going to put in order 2 times 6. Give me another one. 1 and 12 or 1 times 12? Good. All right. So we know it's not composite because can I multiply more than just 1? Yeah. I have this is a pair,
You know,
this is a pair, this is a pair. This is 3 different pairs, factor pairs, that I can put together to make the product 12. Okay, so we have a complete understanding of composite and prime number. However, I noticed that when I look at you guys as you're doing your work on your ST Math, we are getting a little confused when it comes down to prime factorization. If we can understand what a prime and composite number is, we're going to be able to be successful with prime factorization. All right, I have a number. What's my number? 16. I know that 16 is what type of number? Raising our hand, using our math lingo. Kyra, what type of number? Composite number. Very good job. And Kyra, how do we know it's a composite number? Because we could do 8 times 2. He doesn't like me.
go over. Yeah. Now go back the other way. I mean, no, go up. No, go back.
Don't laugh.
Go. Can I do it?
Yeah, come do it for Mr.
Oh.
I'm the mouse.
No. It's times 2.
No.
Go back to 2. Go
Got you. I'm flowing. Thank you. Took off the 2 for Jalen supporting Miss Fritz. On 2. 1 and 2. Okay, we know that 8 times 2 equals 16. Okay, now we have 2 factors, right? We are going to what these 2 factors?
Decompose.
Decompose them. All right. What do we know about 8? 8 is what type of number, Jocelyn?
A composite number.
A composite number. How do you know it's composite, sweetheart?
Because you can do 4 times 2 to get 8.
I'm gonna get it this time. No. Yay! I did it.
No.
It moved. It moved. Okay. Let me try again. Mistakes are totally hot, right, y'all? Okay. Thank you. Right? Boom. I'm getting it together. Trial and error. We said 2 is a what type of number?
Prime.
Oh, we did 8, but we'll go to 2. 2 is a prime because what makes 2? 1 times 2 itself, which is 2. Good. Okay, next step. Composite. Thank you, Johnisha. Okay.
4 times 2.
Here we go. Am I ready? Okay. Forgot, Gigi tried to trick me sometimes. Okay. Okay, what do we know about 8? We knew it was a what type of number? And we said 2 times 4. 2 is a what type of number? Prime. 4 is a what type of number?
Composite.
Okay,
So,
freeze.
are you done?
Okay, I agree. Take a moment. Look at this. Go ahead and copy that down. Copy that down. Give you 30 seconds.
The whole thing?
Yep, the whole thing. Start at your 16. Start to decompose. And I want you to do a circle around what they have as a leaf. Just circle that number. I want you to think, why do you think they have already circled the number or the factor 2? Why do you think they have already circled the factor 2? Soraya, do you want to give it a try? And if you're wrong, we're here to support you. Because 2 is a prime number. And what is the title of this? So, what is our ultimate goal when we are doing prime factorization?
We
To find a prime number or all the prime numbers?
All.
Good. Can we write that beside prime factorization? You want to end with all prime numbers. I think that's where we make a mistake on that quiz. The quiz is going to really truly see if you understand what prime factorization is. And as you guys told me, I was right. 2 times 2 is 4. So go ahead and decompose your 4 to make sure you have your 2 times 2. Then we know 2 is a what number?
Prime.
2 is a what number?
A prime.
Good. And 2 is a what number?
Prime.
So go ahead and write that 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. That's how we can get 16. 16 equals 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Who feels a little better with this lesson when we go into it?
I'm past this.
I know some of us, half of us are past it, half of us are not. But some of us still had this question wrong on our quiz. Alright, so as students that are in factors and multiples, I'll wait until all pencils are down. You guys, I want to make sure that you're using your notes. Use these notes, okay? Everyone else that are past this, I will be working with you one-on-one. At this time, it is Wild Mathematician Wednesday. Get to your music. You have 2 minutes. When I walk around, our music should be put away. I should not see you up again.